place, I would have there be plenty of windows, so there's plenty of lighting in here, and I think it would be nice to have a little outdoor area connected to it as well.
If I had $1 million, I would put an auditorium in the school, like a stage.
If I had $1 million, I'd put a pool and an auditorium.
If I had $1 million, I would put a new basketball court in a 3rd-story floor.
If I could do anything in this area, I would have there be 1 or 2 classrooms that are open and have several uses for them, so teachers can come out here and use them for whatever they need.
I would agree with that. You definitely for science stuff, like to blow things up, because that's fun.
Join us at Discover Our World April 29th from 6 to 10 p.m.
Give